Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S squared minus s to the power of 3 is equal to 810. Solution. Then we have s squared minus s to the power of 3. Let's bring this 810 to this side. It becomes minus 810 is equal to 0. This is s squared minus s to the power of 3 minus 810 can be written as minus 729 minus 81 equal to 0. Then we have s squared minus s to the power of 3 minus 729 can be written as 9 to the power of 3 minus 81 can be written as 9 squared is equal to 0. Let's pair this. We have s squared minus 9 squared minus s to the power of 3 plus this 9 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Then from here, if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then if you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a plus b bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. Then where a is equal to s and b is equal to 9. Let's substitute here. We have s plus 9 bracket s minus 9 minus, here we have s plus 9 bracket x squared minus 9 multiplied by x plus 9 squared is equal to 0. Now this is x plus 9 bracket x minus 9 minus x plus 9 bracket, here we have x squared minus 9 times x, that is 9x, plus 9 squared, that is 81, is equal to 0. Now from here, x plus 9 is common. Let's bring it out. We have x plus 9 bracket. If we divide this by this, we have s minus 9 minus, if you divide this by this, we have s squared minus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0. And this is s plus 9 bracket x minus 9 minus multiplied by x squared. This is minus s squared minus multiplied by minus 9x. This is plus 9x. Then minus multiplied by plus 81. That is minus 81 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s plus 9 equal to 0, and the second case is minus s squared, then s plus 9x, that is plus 10x, then minus 9 minus 81, that is minus 90 is equal to 0. Then from here, x is equal to minus 9. And from here, we can divide all through by minus 1. Then minus x squared divided by minus 1, this is x squared, plus 10x divided by minus 1, this is minus 10x. And then minus 19 divided by minus 1, this is plus 90 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. You have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 10, c equal to 90. Then s is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then s is equal to minus times minus 10, that is 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90, that is 360 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 360, that is minus 260 divided by 2. Then s is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 260 can be written as 65 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Then s is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, square root of 65i divided by 2. S is equal to 10 divided by 2 plus or minus 2 divided by 2 square root of 65i. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. We have 5. S is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 65i. Therefore, our final answers are S1 is equal to minus 9, then S2 is equal to 5 plus square root of 65i, and S3 is equal to 5 minus square root of 65i. You can see that we have two complex roots and then only one real root. So we can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s squared minus s to the power of 3 is equal to 810. And when s is minus 9, let's check. We have minus 9 square minus bracket minus 9 to the power of 3 must be equal to 810. Minus 9 squared, this is 81, minus bracket minus 9 to the power of 3, that is minus 729 must be equal to 810. Then this is 81 minus times minus 729, that is plus 729 must be equal to 810. Then 729 plus 81, this is 810 is equal to 810, which is true at s is equal to minus 9. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.